So guys, I hope you have seen a solid, I mean a wood floating on water. A liquid means oil floating on water. But did you ever seen a smoke floating on water? If not, then this video is for you. So see the video from first to last to know how to make this. So now let's start. First take a paper and cut a small part from it using a scissor. But guys, be careful. Now using a pencil, you can roll this paper like this. Now take a spoon like this and fix this paper to it. Now take a glass and fill it with water. And now keep this spoon like this. Now using a lighter or even using a matchstick, you can burn this paper. And guys, now the real magic starts. So guys, I hope you can see that. Now within some time a layer of smoke will be formed on water. So see the video till the end and let's see what happens when we mix smoke with water. So guys, it's amazing. Even you can try this at home and enjoy. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel.